In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Steam browser. By the end, you'll know how to open Steam's built-in browser and use it to look up guides, forums, and streams without ever leaving the app, keeping everything you need in one place. Start by launching the Steam application. You can double-click the desktop icon if you have one, or search for it in your Start menu. When Steam opens, sign in if you're prompted. Use a secure method to log in so you can get to the homepage, which showcases your own games, featured new releases, and current deals. This is your hub for navigating the store and your library. Next, let's get to the browser from a game store page. From the home page, click any game to open its store page. On the right side of that page, you'll see a sidebar with useful links, like the developer's name or the official website. Right-click one of those links and choose Open Link in New tab. You'll notice a new tab appear along the top inside Steam. That confirms the link opened within the client instead of an external browser. Now, look for the small plus icon next to that new tab and click it. This opens the full in-app browser window, giving you a more complete browsing view right inside Steam. With the Steam browser open, you can visit the web without leaving the app. This is perfect for pulling up guides while you compare editions on the store, checking community forums for tips and troubleshooting, or even watching streams related to the game you're viewing. The experience is designed to keep you in the Steam ecosystem, so you don't have to switch between separate programs or lose your place. What makes this especially convenient is how smoothly you can switch between areas. If you want to jump back to the store, just click the Store tab. Need your library? Switch back to your library view, then return to the Browser tab when you're ready. Your tabs remain available inside Steam, so you can move between web pages and your game details without breaking your flow. A quick tip as you use this: treat it like any browser for light research. It's ideal for reading how TOS, scanning patch notes, or checking forum posts while you decide what to play next. Because it's inside Steam, it minimizes distractions and keeps your workflow tidy. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.